We got this vintage rude packaged air conditioner.
Oh yeah, this thing's definitely not been used in a hot minute.
Not far from the coast in Florida.
Antique
Something you
style.
don't see every day. A unit this old, not far from the beach.
The only reason it's still around is probably because it hasn't been used.
Pressure's probably.
That's probably what the data sheet
right
was.
there.
And this is just the electric heater, so this might be a heat pump.
It's just like a normal, rude, essentially
used for quite a bit.
blower compartment attached to it. Rust has gotten to it, no surprise, considering where it's at.
Kind of see a recip in there.
That don't surprise me.
With the window air conditioner, that's probably cooling the entire building down for the time being, given this hasn't been used in a while.
Very interesting.
Oh, I stand corrected. That entire bottom pan is rusted out. Well, not the bottom pan, but that bottom part of the unit is like a rusted out chunk of it.
Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, that thing has
This is not too far from the ocean, so that doesn't really surprise me too much.
the transition they use from the duct portion there is going to time fall into the unit. So you know that thing has a random.
Oh yeah, it's torn right there.
Very interesting with these package units, how it looks just like just a regular.
Oh, that plenum's falling off right there.
It's just a residential split unit with a blower compartment and stuff on the end of it.
Yeah.
Definitely an interesting.
Here we got this
We got this unit.
really old central air conditioner. Not sure what it is yet. Looks a lot like that gas powered unit we filmed a year and a half ago, or 2 years ago.
Honestly, is this like a door?
Nah.
Look at the data tag. It's very, very roached.
I'm gonna take a picture of that when we're done filming.
Right here, a really old commercial air conditioner.
It's snipped back here.
It does strike me as a price. This may be a Chrysler product, but I don't know for sure.
22, whatever. To me, I feel like it's probably either a Chrysler or a York.
I can see that.
They snipped the line sets back there. And we got this 1980s Trane commercial unit, probably about 1984. Also snipped. Unless, no, never mind.
What's this thing? A Trane? Yep.
Still got that line set.
Big Trane.
Here's your data
That's
back
fine,
there.
man.
Of course it's faded.
Sight glass over there. Yeah, this line there got snipped. Is that for that unit?
No, there's one right there that goes into this one.
I wonder if that pad over there used to be another unit that got snipped or something.
I'm guessing this is probably like a 10 ton or something. But since this is a Trane, it's definitely made after 1983. After GE was taken over. Sweet stuff.
Yeah, that's about it. You guys are doing. I'll see you on the next one.
Here's this old Heil 5000 central air conditioner. This is a 1994 5-ton straight cooling scroll compressor.
imagine that fan motor. Wow, look at that.
Oh, that's
It's got a
fun.
recip in it.
The nuts literally rusted into basically.
What do we got? That's a AB. Comes to that, I'd imagine.
Let's see what we got. 1993 3-ton.
AB.
It's a YCA.
YCA. That's what is it?
I didn't even notice the reverse.
It is a heat pump. It is a 1993.
A little surprised about the amount of heat pumps they have in this area.
Has it been running?
Thermostat wire.
No.
Thermostat wires are cut low.
Dude, we got these old, really old, not inserters. We got these really old.
Yeah, that one's done for.
We got, I think this is a carrier over here. Yeah, this is a carrier.
Would these be 1980s?
See a big reciprocating compressor. I assume that's what comes to the AK or AJ. It's got to be 70s, considering not reciprocating. By 80s, everyone was using rotors. This is a GE for sure. Look at those spine fin coils.
Yeah, definitely
definitely-
Trane made.
That's either GE or Trane made, definitely. I'm gonna assume GE because GE kind of specialized in window units.
Probably another carrier, unless it has spine thin.
This one's another GE.
Yeah, it's got spine thin, I guess. That one just has the cover off.
Cover on it still.
Yeah, these are probably heat pumps. Really sweet stuff. We're really hitting the jackpot today.
Yeah, dude. This is a heat pump.
It's a heat pump.
It's a heat pump. Look.
See?
Reversing valve in there. These are indeed heat pumps.
Gotta wonder if any of these are still functional.
Now this is
Since that thought. It kicked off.
It's still running. It's a really quiet unit.
Sick.
Guess I'll get a quick shot of data on this one.
Oh, this thing's definitely I don't think this thing's. I think this thing's inoperable, guys.
It's got some moss on the coils. I didn't notice that. at
I just
first.
noticed this. Look, T-stat wire. Definitely inoperable. This thing does not run anymore. Catch the thermostat wire being put on this one.
Old carry around one central air conditioner. Straight cool unit. 4-ton. And for some reason the air's been on the side
That's flat.
and it's not working at all. But it's not running under a high heat load either, so.
Remember, it's real hot inside. It's not going to
I don't hear it.
Might be out on the road.
I'm not going to
Alright.
Here's a couple Carrier Puron central air conditioners, probably from the early 2000s. Both straight cool, 2005, 5-ton, 3.8 EZG. Got an old Payne Weathermaker. It's from 2000, that's a 10-ton.
We have like a commercial carrier unit right
It's a
here.
Payne.
Hey. big ass. What is that? A Millennium?
Likewise.
Oh yeah, those are big.
GE motor.
Nice Trane on. Alright. That'll be it. Guys,
That'll be it. Thanks for watching.
gonna be it.